Hello my people, in this video we will see how to fix TikTok unable to authorize error on iPhone. The first pass obviously is open the app. In this case is TikTok. And the next step is go to settings and next go to sign and security. Right? The next is go to the general and VPN and device management. In this case, is not connected. Right? The next is go to the date and time. And next is go to the TikTok. Go to settings and select general and click in iPhone storage. Search TikTok, select this app and select offload app. Click and go to the store and search TikTok for this chart. And right, that's all for this video. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time.